Hi Year 5, this is Lesson 4. So far, you've chosen a chapter you feel is successful and you enjoy reading. We've looked at why. Okay, you've identified successful language in that chapter and written it down. You've then answered some questions about why it's successful. You've planned a story, and now you need to begin to write your story this lesson and make sure that you are including in that story, okay, those language features that you found in that chapter, okay? I want to see the same vocabulary, adjectives. You can't copy it word for word, obviously, but use that sheet of paper from lesson 2 where you wrote the list of successful adjectives, adverbs, nouns, verbs, front adverbials. You wrote them all down, all those that you've examples of successful language you found in that chapter. Use those now, have that next to you, and use some of those in your own writing, okay, so that you can meet this skill. That models from my reading are used or integrated into my writing, and you might be able to remember things from other stories, like the word tawny that we learnt in the Roman Quest, or other books that you've read, and other similes or metaphors or personification of weather. Remember, we've talked a lot about that. You might be able to draw on all the books that we've read throughout this year, really, and bring some of the things you can remember into this story to really bring it to life, okay? Here are the list of, this is the success criteria. I'm going to read them to you now. So they are: include exciting vocabulary and descriptive language in your own story that you found in the chapter you read. Make sure you steal ideas of successful writing from other writers. Okay. Next, make sure your work is neatly presented. Next, use paragraphs for a new topic, place, time, or character speaking. Check spelling and punctuation. Use wow words and descriptive language. Include similes, metaphors, and personification of weather. Okay. Example: the rain wept down the window. The wind screamed under the door. Use your 5 senses in your story and punctuate direct speech correctly. Okay, when you've written it, proofread it, okay? I'm going to do lesson 5 in this video as well because they link in. And it's basically, lesson 5 is checking through the success criteria, making sure you've met it, making sure you have included models from your reading, have been integrated into your writing, proofread it, correct mistakes, and go down your success criteria. All these sheets are available on the website, and make sure you've met that success criteria. And if you haven't, edit some in. If you haven't included any of the words that you've read in the chapter you've chosen this week from a book, well, now's your chance to take some of your words out and replace them with more successful ones. Okay, now is your chance to improve your story on lesson 5. Okay, so this is an editing and improving lesson. All right. Okay, today's also sports day. This is Friday, so it's sports day. But we never do sports day all day. It's an afternoon in school, so therefore there's still time for you to edit your story and to do some English today. I haven't set 5 maths lessons this week. I've only set 4. So, you could give maths and myths today and do your sports instead. But I would like you to finish off your story and make sure you've edited and improved and proofread it for mistakes. Okay, that's really important. Okay, enjoy sports day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.